Hi there. We're continuing our journey through the book of Proverbs, and we're in Proverbs chapter 14, and we're looking at verses 5 and 6. And so for chapter 5 basically says something very straightforward. It says someone who's reliable, an honest person, will be a good witness, will not lie when they're speaking. But a false witness, someone who just speaks rubbish, who actually, the word in fact in Hebrew is yafiach, who puffs out, who blows out, who speaks a lot of hot air, can't be relied upon. He's going to be a false witness who just tells lies, basically, who just comes up with untruth. So it's the question of whether that's the reliable person. If a person's reliable in their life normally, then they can be relied on. And then it says that in verse 6, it says that someone who is cynical or a mocker, a scorner, someone who's constantly cynical will look for wisdom but will not be able to find it. Why? Because wisdom requires a certain trust, it requires a certain discernment, a certain approach, openness to know. And a cynical person who's closed-hearted won't be able to find that. Whereas it says that knowledge comes easily, or in discernment, insight, experience knowledge. Da'at is the word it uses, and that word means knowledge with experience. Knowledge that is not just something in the head, but something that is experienced. And that comes straightforwardly to someone who is discerning, someone who is open to learn, someone who knows what it's about, to give themselves to truth rather than to cynicism. Let us not be cynics, let us not be letzim, let us be those who are navon, let us be those who are discerning and who are open to truth. Have a good day.